Hey folks, Dana here, back in my incredibly messy shop. I think I'm going to do a simple root stick today. Got this piece of maple. Been drying I think a couple years now, should be good. Get her squeezed up in the vise and start by trimming off some roots. See what she looks like. Well, I got all the tiny hair roots trimmed off, plus one that was had a bad crack in it right there. And at this stage, I like to kind of see if it's in any way comfortable, held like this, and actually held just like that. That's fairly comfortable, or yeah, more so like that. So let me I'm going to trim all these down a little bit and see what she looks like. I've got them all trimmed and started rounding them over with a rasp and files and so on. And believe it or not, that is really pretty comfy. I'm going to take off a little bit right there because it hits on my thumb. But that is a pretty comfortable stick, just like that. Probably got to take that one down a little bit. I went over it with a wire brush and got the rest of the dirt off. And I basically just try to smooth over anything that's squared off. A little hair root that I missed. And just go over it with a rasp, and then eventually I'll get to the sandpaper portion of the deal. And see all this lumps right in here? I'll usually go over that real quick with a file, because once the polyurethane's on it, those turn into like little spikes. So then of course I have to, a few places on the shank that I'll have to smooth out. One there, one there. There's one there. Obviously not a straight stick, but I find the crooked ones have a lot of character to them. So yeah, I'll keep going on that and I'll come back. Well, I actually took that root right there off because it does seem to feel a little better without it. I like the way that one kind of wraps around my little finger, and I can get my thumb around this one. Feels really nice. A little tall still, so I'll have to trim it. But yeah, I got it pretty much sanded down. Maybe a little more here and there, but a little more smoothing on the knobs. But that's pretty close to being done. Well, she's had her first coat of polyurethane, and that looks pretty sharp. It's kind of a dull day here, typical Maine October weather, but yeah, I'm liking that. It's really comfy to hold, and right hand only, unfortunately. Left hand it doesn't seem to work. But and that's that really nice dark red color that maple gives you when you scrub down past the outer bark. Yeah, pretty happy with that. So anyways, that's going to be it for this one. If you liked it, give her a thumbs up. If you didn't, give her a thumbs down. That's okay. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.